Hi, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm sure you see this lovely pink box in front of me. It is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics haul that I'm going to be doing today. I haven't had the chance to film for about a week or so, and this box has been waiting to be opened, trust me, and I've been wanting to get inside and play with all my new things that are in here. Just haven't had the chance, but I love doing these shopping and unboxing hauls so you can see what I buy and what I have a little bit of an obsession with. But good thing is, I've talked about this in another video, but Jeffree Star Cosmetics, his website, now has Afterpay, which is my favorite thing in the whole world. So if Afterpay, you ever want to sponsor me, I'd be more than happy to be a promoter of your, I don't know what it's called. But anyways, so what is Afterpay? So I pay in 4 different installments for my order, but it comes directly out of my checking account. So it's not like it's a credit card or anything like that. But it helps me be able to afford these hauls on a budget so I can share them with you all. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. Wrong way. I blocked it out, but you never know. My handy dandy knife. I have lots of box cutters and knives, but I always lose them, and I have an obsession with them. So as you can hear, this is brand new. This is just being opened. I'm opening it with you all. Okay. Oh, poop. So when you open it up, oh, how nice. It's pink tissue paper, which is super cute, but it's got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo on it. That's cool. Okay, so first and foremost, you can see how this is packaged very nicely. There's bubble wrap in it. Let's see what this is. I'm going to move this off to the side just because it's really big. I'll put it here. Okay, so let's take a look together and see which one this is. The tissue paper is so nice, and you can tell that somebody hand wrapped it, which is awesome. Okay, yes! It is my Northern Lights highlighter palette. So his packaging, oh, is just beautiful. This is the Supreme Frost Pro palette. So let's take a look. This is a lot thicker than the other one I purchased before. And this packaging is very different. Take a look. Okay. So when you open it up, oh, this one is different. Okay. Yes, look, take a look. So there's a nice big mirror in here. And you can see all the colors. So we've got Alaskan Ice, Thawed Out, Below Freezing, Frozen Gold, Anchorage, and Arctic Sky. And the pans are a little different. Really get up there. Take a look at that. So it's got his logo in there, but then there's stars on top of it. That is so cute. I love it. Like I said, this is different than the other palette I purchased. I want to see what they look. So Alaskan Ice is like a white shimmer. I'm going to try to, swatch and mess it up like I normally do because I have no ability to do this properly. I don't know if you can see that. Thawed Out is like a pinky color, I want to say. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe like a pinky mauve. I don't know. I said this when I swatched his one pan. I just like to ruin it because I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'll do it on this side. So this is Below Freezing. Check that out. That is blue. Frozen Gold. So since I can't do my makeup, which I've talked about before, I learned that purple highlighter in me makes it look like I have a black eye. So won't be doing purple highlighter because terrible. But that's just my skin tone. It just doesn't look good. However, this Arctic Sky that is like this light purple, I think I could pull off. And then this is the Frozen Gold, Anchorage, and Below Freezing all together. Can't put my hand down far enough. But it's super pretty. These are great. I can't wait to try these out. And I love that it comes with this big mirror on it because the other one doesn't have a mirror. So, and it's girthy.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I'm super inappropriate, but everybody knows that about me. But isn't this cute? Look at that. It's got his logo and everything on there. Let's see what else we have in here. So what I did is on Memorial Day, which by the time you see this, who knows, it could be Halloween. Memorial Day, Jeffree Star had 25% off. I don't think it was the whole website, but a lot of different items. So I took advantage of that and bought some items while I could. It did come with this little pamphlet in here right now, and this is highlighting his new gloss line. If you haven't seen the new Jeffree Star glosses, I can't wait to order some of those and check those out. Haven't purchased any yet because I need to finish paying off my Afterpay payments before I embark on new payments, because this is reality and I don't have a ton of money. So yeah. Okay.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? This one's also wrapped in Jeffree Star Cosmetics tissue paper, hand wrapped, and it even has the little Jeffree Cosmetics sticker on there. I just appreciate being a small business. So Wonderland Boutique is a small business. I appreciate when companies or big or large take time when they package their items and then send it out, because as a consumer and a business myself, I appreciate the effort that goes into putting together a package for a customer, because that's also part of the experience. So thank you, Jeffree and Jeffree's team. Now this is the mini velour liquid lipstick set. I think this is number 2, I want to say. So what does this bad boy come with? Let me open it up. The packaging feels like squishy velour. That's the best way I can describe it. But it has a texture to it, which just, again, makes me enjoy the experience altogether. And it says, open here for nudes. Hello. Oh, just a couple colors popped out, but that's okay. So here's what we're looking at. So what do I get with this? Starting from this side right here, I've got Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Madder, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. So again, on the website, a lot of these were sold out for the full size. So I wanted several anyways, but I love these little sets because then I get to try out multiples all at the same time, and I don't have to get the large one in case what if I don't like it. So then I get multiples. The other nude set had more of like browns and deep browns, which I don't tend to go for. So this one is more in my palette of what I would use. So I'm definitely going to wipe off these swatches of the highlighter and then swatch these on my skin so you can see what they look like, because I'm excited to try them out. And I have highlighter all over the box. Awesome, because I can't keep anything nice. Okay. This one, what did I get? I don't remember. Oh, I got a lip liner. I totally forgot. So I got the Leo lip liner because it's in this like brown family. And with the nudes, I figured it could be work for several of the colors. I did buy one of his other lip liners, and I find them to be very effective, and they work very well to help with any type of like feathering or bleeding with the velour liquid lips. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. And then it comes off. I don't know if you can see it. That's the Leo. Pretty. Let's see what it looks like. That is the Leo lip liner. Okay. And then the last thing I purchased, which is my first merch perch from any YouTuber or anybody like that. I never like buy anybody's merchandise, but this hoodie was on sale and they did say to size up, so I did. But I was super excited to get this. It is the Can't Relate hoodie in pink. Look at this. Oh, how cute is this? I love it because I say can't relate all the time anyways, and it's very soft and very plush. Let me see if they have the maker. Oh, they don't, but they do have the Jeffree Star logo in there. So he has his own logo for his merchandise. That is super cute. It says Jeffree Star Fashion. It is amazing. 100% cotton, made in the USA. So yeah, it will shrink, but look at this hoodie. How pretty is this? Can't relate. So my life. And it's got the nice little finger snap going on it. So this definitely will be used. We're going into summer, but my husband is a polar bear and keeps my house at freezing. So I'm always constantly wearing sweatshirts and sweaters around the house. So I can wear this all year long and not have to worry about it. But I love this. This is awesome. And like I said, it feels really like good quality. It doesn't feel thin and cheap and chintzy. And I'm not just saying that because I'm obsessed with Jeffree Star. I'm saying that because I'm a judgy person. And if I'm going to pay as much money as I do for a hoodie, I want it to be good. Because I can speak good English evidently today. Oh my God. It's been a long week, let me tell you. And it's only Thursday. But what I'm saying is this hoodie does feel nice and thick. It doesn't feel, you know, when you get a cheap piece of fabric and you're like, oh, this is awesome. I'm going to get one wear out of it and this is going to go down the drain. No, it feels really thick. It feels very high quality. And so I feel like, you know, with the design and everything, it's not going to wash off the first time I throw it in the washing machine. So hold please. Let me wipe off this highlighter and let's swatch these nudes so you can see what they look like on me. All right, let's take a look at these. So this is androgyny. Now I am the color transparent. So this is what it's going to look like on transparent skin. So obviously, if you're different skin tones, they might look a little different. I'm going to put androgyny and Leo. And Leo is my liquid lip velour. Listen, I don't know what it's called. We have established that I am not good at makeup. So let's just say lip liner. It's got like a fancy name. So far, we've got androgyny. Oh boy. Just smeared. Androgyny, and then Leo is this one right. So then Gemini. My sister's a Gemini. Hi, Candy. Better be watching this. So Gemini. Ooh. Pretty. And then Rose Matter. I'm just going to like lay these out so you can see what they look like. Ooh. Rose Matter's really pretty. It's like pink, but not too pink. So then we've got Gemini and Rose Matter. Okay. Oh, Posh Spice. That's who I wanted to be. I definitely wanted to be a Spice Girl, and I always wanted to be Posh Spice. Hi, Chomper. Hi. Chomper's in here growling because there's no attention being paid to him. So that one back here is Posh Spice. Right there. Right there. Okay. And then we've got Celebrity Skin, which I've seen lots of videos with Jeffree and doing Celebrity Skin. It always looks so beautiful on him. I know it's not going to look the same for me. Oh, I wonder if these have a smell. Oh my gosh, it does. What is that smell? It almost smells, Celebrity Skin smells kind of like, oh God, I can't place it. It's not chocolate. I'm gonna have to look it up. It's not chocolate, but it's definitely something. That's so strange. I know that smell, but I can't think of what it is. Oh, it's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, Mannequin. Doesn't have that smell. But now I can't get the smell out of my nostrils. Because it smells so good. Okay. So I'm just kind of like letting these dry down so you can see them. And then Skin Tight. I wonder if this one has. It doesn't have that smell. Now I wonder what the hell that smell is. I'm going to start huffing it and trying to figure this out. I wonder if the other ones have a smell. No. No smell to androgyny. Let's try Leo. No. Why you gotta do this, Jeffree Star? And confuse me. Mix me up all like this. This one has it. Okay. Gemini has it. The licorice? It's root beer. Not licorice, root beer. But I was close. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. I think it's licorice. I don't know. Tell me if you know down below. I'm definitely going to be looking this up. So Rose Matter. Yeah, that's got it too. I need some coffee beans now. I need some coffee beans now to cleanse my palate. So Posh Spice doesn't have it. So not all of them have it. I'm going to say it's licorice. I don't know. I'm probably wrong, but here we go. Here we go. Here's what they look like in order. So not really. They're going to be upside down. Starting over here is androgyny, and then we go to Leo, Gemini, Rose Matter, and then the next line over here. I'm trying to look in the viewfinder, and I'm not good at trying to position myself. So this is Posh Spice, Celebrity Skin, Mannequin, and then Skin Tight is what they look like. And like I said, my skin is transparent, so that's what they look like on me. If you have a different skin tone, I'm sure they're going to look different. So here's our little nude velour liquid lipstick set. I can't wait to try these out with a lot of different looks. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing me go through this box and open things up. And again, it's a haul for a girl on a budget, and using Afterpay allows me to do that. If you did like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you can be notified of when I post new videos. And if you're not following Wonderland Boutique on Instagram and Facebook, make sure you do so you can connect with our group of makers. And I can let you know about sales and giveaways and when I post new videos. So thank you so much for stopping by today. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye! This is why we don't have nice things, because I'm a child.
That's girthy.